Hey guys, got a cool one here for you today. This is a 1970 Ford Torino GT. It is a 429 Super Cobra jet drag pack car per the Marti Report. Really neat ride. It's got a lot of originality to it. Shaker hood, 4-speed car. Radial TA tires. Originally sold in Purdy Ford, Fort Lupton, Colorado. I'm going to start this up and give you guys a walk around. Fires right up, really good running car, runs strong. Does have this really cool factory tack in the dash, but it no longer operates. Pretty common on these. Fuel, temp, speedometer, odometer. Got your heat controls over here. Blower motor does work. You got your wipers. See the Cobra on the dash there. Pretty cool. Really nice metallic green on a green interior. See the horn. So no horn. Doesn't look like the radio works either. Check out this motor. Really smooth running Ford FE engine. So this car was born as a drag pack 429 vehicle. The original engine is since long gone. This is a replacement engine. You can see they kept the drag pack oil cooler here. So this is a 1969 engine from a Ford or Lincoln product, the best we can tell. It's either a 429 or a 460. It could be either one. No way to really know without opening up the engine. It does run really good. Starts nice, runs strong. You know, paint overall is very good, but there are some chips and touch-ups here and there. Your 429 badge there. Cobra jet shaker hood. So overall, this is a really cool 70 Ford Torino 4-speed car. If you're interested in this, please give us a call. You can find it on our website, carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have about 80 high-resolution photos of the undercarriage as well. And take a look and give us a call if you're interested. Thanks.